औरत औरत की दुश्मन नहीं है. Let's tell the world we're here to fix each other's crowns. You know, when they said, what can a women website do? We brought in 20 million readers on the site month on month. You, ladies, demonstrate the power of believing in yourself no matter the odds. They have broken the mold, rewritten the rules, and paved the way for so many others to follow. Good evening, everybody. On that note, let me say it is my privilege and completely my honor to stand before you today at the Womenpreneur Awards 2025. It's a celebration of grit, determination, and vision of incredible women entrepreneurs that you all are. As the managing editor of herzindagi.com, I am absolutely thrilled to be in the company of extraordinary women like yourselves who are reshaping the future of business, innovation, and leadership. You know, our stories are somewhat similar. You guys smashed the glass ceiling, and at Her Zindagi, a women-led, women-run, and women-focused lifestyle website, we live for smashing stereotypes. You know, when they said, what can a women website do? We brought in 20 million readers on the site month on month. When they said, Are, it's just gossip and frill, we showed them what meaningful journalism is all about. They challenged us and we rose higher. Today, the industry acknowledges herzindagi.com as the #1 women's health website in the country with industry awards and accolades. 2 years ago, when we conceptualized the Womenpreneur Awards, the intention was to bring to fore the spirit of resilience, creativity, and breaking barriers, all things that define a woman entrepreneur. Whether it's a woman launching a startup from her living room, scaling a family business, or pioneering change in a traditionally male-dominated industry, you, ladies, demonstrate the power of believing in yourself no matter the odds. This year, let me tell you, we got more than 250 entries, and these were such incredible stories of founders and business leaders who have challenged the status quo, and they are turning their dreams into action. They are building businesses that are changing the landscape of industries, communities, and lives. We realized that every entrepreneur's journey is different. But you know, for women, the journey is often about navigating unique challenges, overcoming societal expectations, balancing, home and work, and then fighting for equal representation and recognition. And despite these hurdles, women that we are honoring tonight have not only persevered, but they have thrived, all of you. They have broken the mold, rewritten the rules, and paved the way for so many others to follow. What we are also going to recognize today is the importance of community. Entrepreneurship, is often seen as a solitary journey, but we know that behind every successful woman, there is a network of mentors and supporters and allies who have helped her rise. From the other women who have walked the same path, to families and partners even who have provided unwavering support, the employees, your team, who help, materialize all the visions. They bring those visions to life. Success is never a one-woman show, you would agree. It is a collective effort, a shared commitment to lifting each other up and creating an ecosystem where all women can thrive. Which is why I say events like the Womenpreneur Awards are so crucial, because we're not only recognizing individual achievements, but also fostering a community where women entrepreneurs can really connect, share ideas, and inspire one another. Tonight, we're going to celebrate not just the winners, but the women who have taken that leap into entrepreneurship. Your courage, your passion, and leadership are the foundations of a brighter and more inclusive future. To all the nominees, whether you win an award tonight or not, remember that you are champions. Your work, your impact, your journey are inspiring countless others. You have shown with passion, determination, and an unwavering belief in yourself that everything is possible. I would like to extend my gratitude to our knowledge and ecosystem partners, Wikiflow, and community partners, Women Innovators, for supporting our vision and guiding us throughout this campaign. Also, the incredible jury comprising of the best and the brightest women leaders. They've spent hours going through the nomination list and understanding all of the vision and challenges of our nominees. Thank you so much for your effort and your guidance. And thank you also to our event partners. Your support in us will go a long way in creating a future where every woman entrepreneur's dream is not just possible, but celebrated. Thank you to the team, brand team, editorial team, the camera, social, all of you have worked together to make this vision of entrepreneurship, celebration of entrepreneurship, a reality. So thank you very, very much for coming tonight. Let's enjoy this incredible evening of celebration, inspiration, and recognition. Thank you so much.